Let me contextualize this. We all know that we may not have silver, we may not have gold, we may not have many of the other natural resources, but we have one asset, and that asset is the people of Kenya. It is the biggest asset. Our human capital is the biggest asset we have as a nation. And because it is the single most important asset, it is necessary and imperative for us as a nation, as a government, to see how we can sharpen, how we can train, how we can impart knowledge, how we can create skills and competencies that make our human capital that instrument that we can use to drive our economy, drive our progress, and drive into our future. And that is the reason why this year I committed as a government 630 billion for the education in our country. The highest budget since the independence of this country. And it is because I believe that in the education of our young people, we create an asset that will change the destiny of our country. And it is the reason why you've heard here that apart from making sure that our primary schools are running, we've hired an additional 56,000 teachers, the highest ever in the Republic of Kenya in 8 months. We have provided money for our TVETs. In fact, the TVETs you guys have attended, some of them were having challenges with lecturers and tutors. This year, we are hiring 1,700 new tutors to help train in our TVETs. As I told you, we are building 15 new TVETs this year. And we have improved the budget for learning in our TVETs from about 5.2 billion to about 10 billion this year. Again, so that we can give more young people opportunity to acquire skills, training, to acquire competencies that can make them viable citizens, that can make them useful human beings in their community, for their families, and for themselves. And beyond that, this year, we are also intentional. And I want you to listen to me very carefully. For a very long time,